All right, it's time for Recipe of the Week. We have a true cook in the house, so this should go well. We're wearing our masks because we're a little closer. Crafty Cole is here, and she's good in the kitchen.
You always add so much extra pressure. I'm not that great. It's just that I do like to cook, but I'm nothing special.
Okay, so we should maybe be trying to corned beef and cabbage because it's St. Patrick's Day, but anyway, we're thinking that is too hard for 5 minutes. So we're going to make hummus. I've always wanted to learn how to make hummus myself because I love buying it. I mean, I eat it all the time.
And I've heard that it's easy. And funny, my sister-in-law made it one time for a party, but I've never tried it. So today will be a learning experience for the both of us.
Okay.
All right, so all you need are, well, the main ingredient is the garbanzo beans.
Yep.
Right here, right?
Yep, and we, wonderful Angelo has already put them in a bowl, but we need 1 can of garbanzo beans. And I think everything is going to go in here, right?
All right. So you have to drain them. But the tip here is that you want to save the juice from the can because I think while we're mixing it all up, if it's a little too thick, we're going to add a little of this like garbanzo juice.
Okay.
So I'm going to drain them.
So that goes in here, and then we need, if you get a second, you can hand me the measuring spoons. We'll do it exact because we need some lemon. This is all from allrecipes.com.
Tablespoon of lemon juice.
Okay. So just tablespoon of lemon juice. Here we go. Oops.
Squirting a little lemon.
There we go. Of course, you could use fresh, but here we go. And then olive oil, right?
Yep, tablespoon of that also.
Okay, and Melissa's getting the
garlic
together. It calls for 1 clove, but we were thinking you could add more if you wanted.
I think we should add 2 because both of us really like garlic, right?
Yeah, and we need the health benefits.
And actually, my favorite kind of hummus that you buy in the store is the one with the little crushed up garlic on top.
I love that.
Yeah.
Or the black olive, but no one else in my family
No,
likes
I do not like olives. It's like the one thing I don't like. So don't get that if I'm coming over for
I won't make it.
All right, here's 1 clove. Are we going to do the 2?
Sure, let's do the 2. Is this ready to go in?
Yeah, I peeled it. Okay. I'm making a huge mess here, by the way.
That's okay.
Do we have a cleanup crew here?
Okay. Well, it's an all in the family thing.
It's Jamie. It's Jamie and Angelo. All right.
Do you have, can I have a half a teaspoon, please?
Sure.
Okay. So this is so easy because, you know, a lot of times when you buy it in the store, I personally love to go to Tangier's Market over in West Hartford, and they make, it's a Lebanese family, and they make it from scratch, and it's so good and so fresh. But if you buy it in the store, it's good, but I don't think it's as good as fresh. So if you can learn how to make it at home.
There's like something about the creaminess that isn't the same when you buy it in the store compared to when you get it fresh at a place like that. I'm having a real struggle getting this second garlic, so maybe that was a sign that we should only put 1. Oh, I got it. Okay, here's the second one.
And half a teaspoon of salt, so I'm gonna do that. And then the secret ingredient of good hummus apparently is the sesame oil. Now,
wait, did you put in the cumin?
I did do cumin, and I'm doing salt. And then we need, it just says 2 drops of sesame oil. It's interesting because I feel like when chefs have made this before, they use tahini. And we don't have that in this recipe, but you know what? That's one less thing that if...
Oh, it smells good.
Okay, so 2 drops.
All right.
Unless you want more, or to
1.
taste, optional. Okay.
2.
All right.
Okay, that was a very small amount.
Okay. So now
we're gonna mix it up.
Okay. I always struggle with this thing.
All right.
What's the secret here? There we go. Okay.
Okay. It's all plugged in. All right.
Yep. So we're gonna blend it. Now the tip says they use a little bit of the reserved liquid until you get your desired consistency.
So see how that's like looking kind of chunky?
Yeah.
I think we should add some of that in here.
We can just put that right there, just a little bit, and see how it goes.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
That's looking a lot better.
Totally getting better. Thank you for. That's the good thing about all recipes is they have cook tips in there, and that was what they said.
Do we have something to like scrape down the side?
Here, I'll just use this.
Yeah, it's coming together, and actually,
it looks pretty good.
It smells very garlicky. Smell that garlic.
Yeah. Do you think it needs more, or we're good?
Let's do it a tiny bit more.
Okay. Folks, this is easy and expensive, and you'll look fancy if you make your own hummus. Okay. 30 seconds we have. All right, so we'll stop it, and we're going to put it out because I'm proud of us. I want to show everybody.
That looks really good. It smells really good. It looks really good.
All right, so we'll take this little blade out, put it right here. And you can serve this with fresh
Are we allowed to try it or no?
Yeah. Fresh veggies or pita chips.
to rip this open.
This is a really good snack right about now because people are crashing, and instead of getting like some sugary thing that's gonna not be good for you, hummus is yummy. And if you have it with some yummy crackers, okay.
Take one.
Make one, all right.